cleansing oil can get rid of blackheads with just one wash. At least that's what is being claimed by a lot of people on the internet. And this cleansing oil has become viral. I'm putting myself up for the taste for today's video. But wait, there's more. In this video, I'm going to break down everything about this product. From what's inside it to how it feels on different skin types. We will see how it tackles makeup, feel its texture, and of course find out if it lives up to the hype. I'm doing it all so that you can decide whether you want to spend your money on it. But before we do that, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel because your support means the world to me. Hello, this is Diba. I love science, skincare, and science of skincare, and today's quest is to learn all about ANUA Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. Do you need a cleansing oil? Cleansing oils are very effective in removing stubborn makeup, excess oil, and impurities from skin surface. Unlike traditional cleansers, cleansing oils binds with the oils on your skin, including makeup, sunscreen, sebum, to lift them away gently. I'll be honest though, not everyone needs double cleansing with cleansing oils. But if you're suffering from closed comedones, breakouts, and dullness, then there's a good chance your pores are clogged. And a thorough cleansing may help prevent these issues while also leaving your skin clean, refreshed, and ready to absorb the benefits of your other skincare products. So if you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to cleanse your skin without stripping away its moisture, incorporating a cleansing oil into your routine is a smart choice. ANUA Heartleaf Cleansing Oil. I've tried many cleansing oils, but the ANUA Heartleaf cleansing oil sounded very interesting. ANUA claims that this cleansing oil effectively dissolves makeup residues, sebaceous filaments, and sebum. It is formulated with heartleaf extract for soothing effects, making it suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It also claims that it removes makeup and blackhead and clears clogged pores and causes no eye stinging. Before sharing how much of these claims came out to be true from my experience, let's check the ingredient list quickly. This popular Korean oil is packed with nourishing oils like heartleaf, sunflower, macadamia, olive, jojoba, and grapeseed oil. It also has some popular Korean plant extracts like curcuma longa root extract, melia flower extract, hotunia cordata extract. Texture and formulation. So now I'm going to show you the texture so that you get the best idea whether this is the formulation you're looking for. As you can see, it's not a pretty lightweight oil. It feels quite silky on the skin, glides effortlessly without leaving a greasy residue. How to use? Here I have applied waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and liquid lipstick so that you can see how this oil performs to remove them. I'm going to follow the 5-step guidelines provided by ANUA to get a thorough cleansing. First, I'm taking 2 to 3 pumps of cleansing oil onto my dry hands. Gently massage the oil over my dry face. After 30 seconds of massaging, I'm going to wet my face to emulsify the oil, then rinse thoroughly with water. Finally, I'm going to wash off using a water-based cleanser. As you can see, all my makeup is cleaned perfectly. I love how it cleaned my face and didn't leave any residue. My skin feels soft and moisturized. Performance and cleansing ability. As I showed you, this oil cleanser works well for my skin. It's a great product for gentle yet effective cleansing of your skin. Blackheads removing ability. The gunk that comes out while using oil or balm cleansers is usually a combination of sebum, makeup residues, dirt, dead skin cells, and environmental pollutants. These substances can accumulate into your pores throughout the day, leading to clogged pores, blackheads, and other skin issues. Oil and balm cleansers work on the principle like dissolves like. They contain oils that are similar in composition to the oils that are produced by our skin, plus some gentle surfactants and emulsifiers. When applied to the skin, these cleansers help to break down and dissolve the oils, makeups, and other debris that have accumulated on the skin surface and within the pores. As a result, when you massage the cleanser into your skin and then rinse it away, it carries away all those impurities along with it, leaving the skin clean and refreshed. However, while oil and balm cleansers like ANUA effectively removes surface level impurities and makeup, they may not be as effective at removing deeply embedded blackheads. I see a lot of hate towards this product when people get disappointed that it didn't remove their blackheads, but neither the brand nor the product promised to do so in the first place. So you should not keep unreasonable expectations from a product just by watching some viral viral videos. So for stubborn blackheads, additional exfoliation and targeted treatments may prove to be more effective in eliminating them. Cons. Now, while this cleanser is generally well received, I've seen a few reports of it not playing nicely with some skin types. Some users seem to have experienced breakouts. Unfortunately, this is not something entirely avoidable, as it might be due to user error, for example, not emulsifying correctly or not following up with a water-based cleanser, or individual skin sensitivities. Not every product will be suitable for all. So, keeping the animal aside, all in all, ANUA Heartleaf Cleansing Oil is a great product with its nourishing ingredients, luxurious texture, and impressive performance. Alright, so that wraps up our deep dive into the ANUA Heartleaf Cleansing Oil. Now I'm really curious to hear about your experience. Have you tried this product, or how did it work out for you? Drop your stories and experiences in the comment section below. If you found this review insightful, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me explore more and more products and bring you thorough, honest reviews. And hey, don't forget to love the skin you're in. Your skin is unique and deserves the best. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. This is Dibas signing out today from Dibas Quest.